Hey everybody, welcome to T-Roy Cooks. Appreciate you joining. Folks, today we're cooking on the Weber Smoky Mountain. I got my 22.5-inch WSM lit up with some Kingsford Blue charcoal and about 3/5 size chunks of pecan wood. So we're gonna get some smoke on some ribs for you. I got a rack of baby backs and a rack of spare ribs. And we are trying out 2 new rubs that some of my YouTube buddies sent me to try out. So we're gonna check those out, see what they taste like. And should be a nice, beautiful day all day. I figured why not fire up the Weber Smoky Mountain and get some ribs on. How about that, folks? Should be a great show. We'll catch y'all right back after this intro.
T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, cooking up some barbecue for you. T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, showing you that you can cook it too. Always with the beer or whiskey, but he cooks responsibly.
I already got my spare ribs here. I did trim them up just a little bit, but I'm leaving this membrane on. It doesn't bother me to leave it on. I did take the membrane off of the pork baby backs though. All right, y'all know what I like? Worcestershire as a binder, folks. That's what I'm using. There we go. Just get it a little bit wet. That's all you need. For my rub, I'm going on with some of this Saucy Bottom Barbecue Competition Barbecue Rub. And man, this great color in here. See if y'all can see that. I don't know. See that color in there? Woo, doggy. Smells good too. All right, we're gonna check it out though. Saucy Bottom Barbecue. It's SaucyBottomBBQ.com if you're interested. Yeah, breeze is picking up. That right there. Great color on that, man. Really, really good color. All right. Something like that. All right. That looks good enough. Just like that. Just press it in. Just press it in. I'll catch this end down here a little bit. Like that. Push this in a little bit. There we go. All right. I'm gonna set these on the Weber Smoky Mountain. As you can see, we're right at 250, 260-ish, somewhere in there. And this baby's ready to rock and roll with some ribs. Let's go ahead and take that lid off of there. Let's slide these ribs on there. And right across just like that. That's a big old rack of ribs, man. Straighten them up a little bit, kind of push them in, tighten them up a little bit. There you go. Here's my rack of baby backs. Let's go ahead and do the same treatment with some Worcestershire sauce. And the membrane is off the back of these. Alright, today's rub for the baby backs. We are using my buddy Rick, Galindo's Barbecue, Texas Barbecue, and this is the Texas Trinity. He said this is his best-selling rub right here out of all that he has. And I think it's GalindosBBQ.com or something like that. Let me see. Rick's Barbecue and Specialties on YouTube. I'll put the link up in the corner for you up there, okay? Galindo's Barbecue. I guess email him. You know, get on his YouTube channel and email him if you're interested. I'm sure he'll sell some to you. It's great stuff. I've already tried the beef one, and it was really, really good on some beef ribs. And this has got some nice, coarse chunks of salt and pepper and garlic in there. Well, this looks good. Looks real good, Rick. Flip her over. Same thing on this side. All right, we're about ready to rock and roll, folks. Now, I forgot to mention, ideally, you do want your rub to sit on your ribs for 5 or 10 minutes before you throw them on. Ideally, you don't have to. It's up to you, man. It's up to you. I'm gonna scooch. There you go. They look straight. Crunch them up a little bit so they'll cook right. Because the way you lay them, that's how they're gonna cook. And these are already looking gorgeous back here. Ooh, Lord. Love that color, man. All right, let's throw the lid on and get to cooking. I'll bring y'all back here about halfway through. We've been going about 3 hours now. I figured I'd take a look at these and see if they're ready to spritz yet. We're still holding, man. Gotta love these Weber Smoky Mountains. We're still holding about 225, 250, somewhere in that range right there. I'm trying to keep around 250, but she fluctuates a little bit as the coals burn, you know what I mean? All right, let's get some sprayage happening. They're looking real nice. Yeah, they're ready to spritz, man. And I got a mixture of apple cider vinegar and apple juice. About a 50-50 mix. Just like that, folks. That's all you gotta do. And we'll come back about every 30-45 minutes and spritz her up again. We'll just let her keep cooking. We'll check on it here. I'm guessing it's gonna take between 5 and 6 hours to cook. I'm not gonna wrap these. Y'all know I like to have that nice bark. So anyway, let me get you up here where y'all can see me. Hopefully you can see me. You see me? Yeah, you see me. We're having fun. Smells great out here. Driving my neighbors nuts as usual. You know, with that smell, the aroma coming off of all this. Ha! You know you love it. We'll catch y'all back here shortly and we'll check and see when they're getting close to being done. I'll let you know. I'll bring you back. All right, folks, we're going to check out these ribs. And again, they look gorgeous. And you know, when you pick them up in the middle, look, they're split. You know they're done that way. So we can cut some of these up, get us a little taste. Cut this last one off right here. There we go. Yeah. Right here. There we go. These are tender. Hopefully I didn't overcook them too bad. So that's what we got there. Flip these things over and see what we got. Nice smoke ring from that Weber Smoky Mountain and that rub. Now I know it smelled good, don't it, Fifi? Heck yeah, man. It's gonna be some good eating right here. I think I'm just gonna throw this one over here on the other side. It's a straggler. It's a little bitty bone over here. So that's what we got right there, folks. All right. Now these are the St. Louis ribs. They've cooled for about 10 minutes. I think it's time to go ahead and cut them. Slice them up. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, baby. These feel good. Roden, if you're interested, Dalstrong. There's a knife from Dalstrong. There you go. Great knives, folks, and reasonably priced as well. I don't have an affiliate link or anything. I'm just letting you know what I'm using. Oh, and on the Weber Smoky Mountain, I used the, y'all seen me use it before, and in fact I put a link up here for you where I'm using it when I first got it, but I'm using the Arbor Fabricating charcoal basket. And that baby holds temps. I mean, the Weber Smoky Mountain holds temps already, but man, that Arbor Fabricating charcoal basket really does a number on fuel efficiency on the Weber Smoky Mountain and keeping the temps right where you want them. Excellent, excellent. There we go. That's what we're talking about right there, folks. So that's what we got. Don't that look gorgeous? Let me check out that smoke ring. The juicy. Oh yeah, baby. They juicy. Love that. How about that? Y'all see that? They still kind of warm, but that bark on there looks really great. So y'all see the thing glistening in the light. These are cooked to perfection here, man. Woo, doggy, that's gonna be good. All right, let's get us a taste test going with some of the baby backs and some of these St. Louis. All right, folks, we're ready to do this taste test. My good friend, my best friend in the whole world, Bryan, is here to visit.
Hey!
So I asked him that he'd join me on camera, and he agreed to it. So Bryan, I appreciate you coming on.
Appreciate
you.
Great to
see
see
you again, man. We ain't seen each
Been a
other in
while.
a couple of years or so.
Oh yeah.
But best friend in the world, man. We're gonna try some of these baby backs for you, folks. So grab you one, Bryan. I think I'm gonna grab this one right here. Cheers.
Cheers.
Our ladies are back over here off camera laughing at us right now, folks.
Yes, they are.
All right, this is the Galindo's salt pepper rub, the garlic SPG rub. They're pretty good.
Very good. I drive from Louisiana to eat this.
Got a nice smoke ring on it. It's still quite tender and juicy. Like I said, I think I cooked them 6.5 hours or so. They're pretty good, bro. Okay.
I talk more, but I'm eating.
I know. I'm gonna go grab the rubs right quick. We'll be right back.
Hey, just hanging out here. Waiting for T-Roy to come back. Hamming it up for you. Yeah, baby.
You're not trying to take over my show.
No, sir.
All right. All right, so the baby backs had this Galindo's rub on it. This is the Texas Barbecue Texas Trinity rub. And Rick, brother Rick, I appreciate you sending it. I'll put his link up here in the corner, remember? And these spare ribs. We're going on with some Saucy Bottom Barbecue. And again, SaucyBottomBBQ.com. Y'all will check them out. Let's see what these taste like, Brian. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
You ain't finished eating yet.
So home.
Oh, okay. All right. Well,
I don't really know what to do with it. I was going to swallow it for the camera.
Grab you one, bro. That's the one I was going to go for. I'm kidding.
He was eyeballing it.
I was eyeballing, actually.
You're
All right. I just took a little piece off the bottom here. Great bark on this one, man. Great bark. I love that dark bark. It's a little tough.
The bite's even better. Definitely a different texture.
Yeah.
Different taste.
Honestly, I think these would be better if you put some sauce on them. I did spritz them, but that outer bark is pretty doggone tough. Could use a little more salt and pepper.
Comes right off the bottom though.
What's your opinion?
Very tasty.
You like it?
Like I said, that has got a little more spice on it. It's good though.
Yeah, it does. I mean, the bark looks great. And it's still juicy and tender.
This is very tender.
I'm gonna go with another bite.
I'm trying to eat the bones.
They're very tender.
Very. No, I just hit a juicy spot.
For me personally though, I think it could use some more salt, pepper, and garlic. So maybe put some of the Galindos on these rubs on here before I put the Saucy Bottom Barbecue rub on. Would have been a hit. I mean, they're both good. Don't get me wrong, folks. But I taste a lot of ribs. This rub needs something else to go with it. Just my own 2 cents. And they sent it to me, just try out. So that's where I stand on it. Ribs turned out good though.
Just try it out with a little salt and pepper.
Yeah.
Not a big deal.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a little salt and pepper on there. Their barbecue sauce. Can be jamming.
That's good stuff.
Yeah. You just don't say anything bad, do you?
Not usually. If I got something to say bad, I'll let you know.
He's from Louisiana, y'all. He's eating some Texas barbecue, and he's having a good time.
Yes, I am.
Heck, we was even in a hot tub in the pool earlier. It's been a great day.
It's been a fantastic day.
Fantastic day having you around.
Nice seeing you, brother.
Yeah. Love him like a brother. My buddy Bryan, best friend in the world. Thanks for being on camera with me.
Appreciate it.
And I will cherish this video forever.
Me too.
Thank you, brother. Appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
Folks, if y'all enjoy this kind of stuff, y'all want to see some more of these reviews like this, give me some thumbs up. If you're not subbed, go ahead and subscribe. Hope you share the video, and when you do, please tell all your friends that T-Roy cooks responsibly. Cheers, everybody. We'll see y'all next time.
That was good, y'all.